So hello guys, today we'll see that how to add this audio player to our normal video player, normal HTML5 audio player, and you can see the video player also. I had already created a video about it, is how to add this video player to your normal HTML5 video player. And this is the audio player of player. This is the YouTube video player, and this is the Vimeo video player. And if you want to add a custom video player, then you can consider player as a very good alternative to all. And in my YouTube channel, this is my video. It premiered, and I have shown an audio player here. You can see this is the audio player, custom HTML5 audio player about Soundweb that I had created, and I created other videos also, so you can check out that about the video player. This is the player.io video player, and you can consider this video for adding the player here. And here is the article and here is the demo that how normal or video player is added here with player.io. And for example, let me show you one thing, the normal HTML5 video tag, and this is a normal video tag, and we had converted it into this. And let me show you the audio. And this is normal audio. Let's close this, and now we are going to proceed. So for that, let's open CodePen, and I prefer CodePen for a quick overview. For that, we have to add the player CDN for CSS, and this is the CSS URL. You can host your own CSS, modify it because it has the license, maybe MIT license. I have to check this. So after that, you will be able to modify this, as this is MIT license. So you are allowed to modify it, sell it, whatever. You can read the license. Let's copy this script tag and paste it here, and now we are good to add an audio tag. We can also manually type audio, and we have to give the source here, and for that we need an audio URL here. And for audio, let's use this audio URL, and you can also switch between multiple audios like src set. Open in new tab. This is the sample audio. Let's copy this and paste it in src, and let's allow the controls. You can also turn on loop etc, and let's give it an ID of audio 1. Okay, I think it's all set. Now we have to initialize the player. So for that, you can check this article where I have shown you that how to initialize it. You can just copy it or just type it here. You can also use a script tag here, yeah, but I am going with this const player is equal to, and we'll invoke a new class or extend the class. uh, so here we have to pass the query selector. Then in the second parameter we have to pass an object with the options we want to add. So for now we are going to add the id selector, that is hashtag, and then audio 1, and I think it's all set. Just I have to clear something in the audio. We have to, this is the thing we have to do, and initialization is also good. Okay, it's all good. You can also use the unpkg cdns. Just copy this url, view row, and this is the url, or use js deliver cdn js, whatever you want. And I think we have to use the source in this format. Let's close it. Source and then src to this, and now it's working. Okay, this is working, and you can easily inspect it and see the css classes of all the controllers and all the things, and manually modify the css. Maybe I have shown in this video that how to modify the css. Check out the video, and I think it's all set. And here you will find the documentation. See, the css classes are already given here, the variables you can modify to change all at once. And the second parameter, that is for options, you can check out this thing here, muted, full screen, whatever, and these are the apis methods, play, pause, and the other things are here, and you will find all the docs here. See the things, and how to change the source, how to set the source here, and how to play the m3 u8 things, m3 u8 videos here. I will show you in my next video. And if you want tutorial on fluid player or video.js, just comment it in the comment section. I will try to make this. And thanks for watching the video. If you want to me to customize this video player and create a new open source video player, or create a new open source video from just scratch, then comment it out in the comment section. I will consider your comment. Not for sure, but I will try and create something new, and maybe I will upload the video also, or just give you the link of GitHub repository. And if you find it interesting, consider liking the video, and thanks for watching the video till last. Thanks.